guys, today we will talk about the cell death. So in humans, the rate at which cells are growing and the formation of new cells took place is balanced by the rate of cell death. And it's important to maintain the weight of the body. Now we will discuss about the different types of cell death. So we have the two important types of cell deaths, and cell death can occur through several processes. So the first type is apoptosis. Apoptosis is just a programmed cell death, or it is a normal cell death, while necrosis is the cell death that occurs by accident, or it is also known as ordinary cell death. Now let's first talk about the apoptosis. The apoptosis word comes from the Greek word. It is an ancient Greek word, and it just means the falling of the leaves from the tree, or just like a falling a petal from a flower. And the term apoptosis was first used to describe the morphologically distinct form of a cell death. So if we talk about exact definition of an apoptosis, so apoptosis, or is also known as programmed cell death, it is a mode of cell death that occur under normal physiological conditions. It means that this cell death occur under normal physiological conditions, and cell itself is an active participant of its own death or its own destruction. That's why apoptosis is also known as cellular suicide, because cell is actually participating in its own death. And this type of cell death is important for the development of multicellular organisms. This means that apoptosis has a role in embryonic development, as well as it also plays a role in the homeostasis of their tissues. So it means that it has a role at an embryonic stage as well as in an adult human. Now let's talk about what is the importance of apoptosis and why it is so beneficial and an important phenomenon. As we know, apoptosis is important in embryonic as well as in adult stage. So let's first talk about what is the importance of apoptosis at embryonic stage. In embryo, during their development, it's helped in the formation of digits. As we can see in the diagram, the cell death occurs, apoptosis takes place, and it will lead to the formation of normal digits. While if apoptosis don't take place at a normal way, so lack of apoptosis will lead to the webbed fingers, that is also known as syntactally. So, secondly, apoptosis is also important for the development of the nervous system. As we can see, here we have a lot of nerve cells while we have only 3 target cells. So, to match the number of nerve cells with numbers of target cells, apoptosis is an important phenomenon, and the cell that occurs and the extra number of cells will be destroyed, and it will result into the equal number of the nerve cell as well as the target cell. Importance of apoptosis in animals. Apoptosis also have a role in animals, like in the formation of the embryonic mousepar, embryonic chicken foot, and the tail absorption of the tadpole. In all of these events, apoptosis is very important.